Okay, YouTube, this is my first video. We're gonna try this. I've watched so many videos of these things. There's really only a few people that do honest reviews and an honest, true unboxing. I'm gonna review OpenRun Pros. And I work around heavy equipment, so it's loud all the time. But I've got communication going. I've used Apple earbuds for as long as I can remember purchasing the Bluetooths. They've gone up. They're getting a little bit more expensive, just like everything else is. But I have been looking for something different. And I came across these, so I've been doing some research. Let me try to get it out of the light there. Like I said, this is my first video. I'm doing this off of a computer camera. I don't have any fancy setups. I'm just like every other working Joe out there. Hey, when I've got it, I'll spend it. When I don't, I don't. These are going to keep my ears open. That's really what I was looking for. That way I can have my calls and be able to place calls and still be able to hear the communication going on around me. I bought this afternoon. It was $139 plus tax at Best Buy. I'm not sponsored by Best Buy nor OpenRun Shokz, excuse me. I can assure you, I can't even remember their names sitting here looking at them. But I purchased this afternoon. It's $139 plus tax, so it was just shy of 150 bucks. So these came in a little bit cheaper than the original style iPods, earbuds. So let's bust this thing open. I don't want to sit here and waste a whole lot of time, or what? Let me excuse it. Waste a bunch of y'all's time. I know you got other things to be doing. I work all week out of state, and so I stay in a camper. Go home on the weekends to see my family. So I get bored. So I decided to do this. If folks like a good, simple, honest review, I'm going to do more of them. If this pans out, if you'd like me to, I'll do more on things that I use, places that I go, things like that. Figure out how we can get this thing out of here. Alright, so you slide it out, take the top off. Alright, so far we got a semi-hard case that it came in. It says shokz. Nothing real fancy about it. Unzip it and open it up, and there is the unit. You set these down so I can show you here. It's actually a pretty nice case. It's a molded case, so the sensors go here, the rest, and a nice clean case, and it's got a spot for your charging cord to slide in right here. Guys, girls, I promise you I'll get better at these when I do more of them. You have your normal do this and do don't papers, and your charging cord. See what kind of charging cord it comes with. I've had a lot of people tell me that they love their Type-Cs, and I do. I love my Type-C charger. But this is not a Type-C. I don't know if I can get that in the light right or not, but that is proprietary magnetic charging in. So going down to your local gas station to pick up a overpriced charger because you're in a hurry and on your way to work, that ain't gonna happen. That's actually pretty stout. And you just get it close and it snaps right in. So that's pretty good. The instructions, I say the instructions. According to the ad, this thing will charge for 10 minutes and it would give you an hour and a half of talk time. I'll be testing these pretty hard over the next couple of weeks. If you like these videos, I know I need to speed them up. If you want to see another review as I'm using these, leave a comment. I know I'm rambling on, so I'm just going to keep going. You see my long hair? I'm going to take off 2 pairs of glasses here so I can get these things on right, but it's the only dogged way I can see anymore. So these go over, and they literally just sit right there on that jawbone. This is military style technology. At least that's what they like to tell people. So with my glasses on, I can feel them moving, or feel the unit moving. Again, I've got long hair, so I don't know if my hair was touching it. Yeah, that's a lot better. But I do still feel my glasses moving with them. So we've got the user guide here. I feel sure it's as simple as all the rest of them. You flip it open, it has your on and off volume on the same side as the charging port. So let's figure out which side that is. I believe it's going to be this side here. So turn it on and off. You got a plus and a minus sign. It says plus sign, turn the headphones on. Alright, it just told me to welcome to shokz, and the battery was medium. Honestly, it was pretty nice not having a robotic voice tell me that. It was actually a fairly pleasant female sounding voice. So instead of that harsh robot that you get on so many. Okay. So we're going to have to go to our phone here. And it's going to connect like every other Bluetooth device. Alright, that's already popped up just that quick. OpenRun Pro by shokz. Hit pair. Alright, it's connected. 80% battery according to the phone. Alright. So that was pretty straightforward. it says I am connected. I didn't realize that I could play the music, and it's got touch buttons on it. You hold them for different lengths of time or tap, and it'll change and play the next song. I will do better at these videos. I'm not gonna edit this thing in any way. I'm just gonna leave it as is. Hopefully you're like me when you're looking for something and you scroll to the parts that you need to hear and didn't worry about all the rest of the dogged rambling this old fart was doing. Alrighty. Like, subscribe if you want to. I will answer comments about the device, and if somebody wants another video of the long-term use or the short-term use, because I'm going to check them out pretty hard over the next week or so, I'll be glad to post another video. I'll make one. I promise you I will try to do better with the video. Just let me know in the comment section. Thank you.